So good evening, everyone, and welcome to the day one of Vedic Mathematics workshop. Now, we'll start from the base. I know all of you are already teaching into teaching profession and might be teaching Vedic Mathematics also. So what do you think? What is Vedic Mathematics and how it is different from ordinary maths? How do you define it? Yes. So how? What is Vedic mathematics and how it is different from mathematics? See, this question every parent will be asking you tomorrow. So you should be ready. You should be prepared for this question. Yes or no? Yes, Aruna, Kumud. Yes, Naveen,
Yes.
Nanika Naveen.
Yeah.
So what is
it's
Vedic mathematics?
basically the mathematics we learn in the school has different processes and steps involved. And that takes a lot of time and paperwork. While as Vedic mathematics has few processes, very few processes, and reaches fast to the answer.
It
Okay.
makes a more simple math more interesting with simple formulas and calculations so that we can reduce the time as well as it will make more interesting and
Okay.
kids will not be getting bored. Yeah.
Correct. See, it depends. Again, it depends. Because same Vedic maths, we are not doing something different. It is entirely maths we are studying. So how we are teaching that will matter more. Are we just going behind the sutras and tricks? So I don't follow that. I'll just tell you. Very first thing, why it is called as Vedic. So it is called as Vedic because Vedic means ocean of knowledge. Also, since it has been taken from our Vedas, I think everybody is aware of that we have 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, and Athar Veda. And this particular subject is believed to be taken from Athar Veda, the Veda which deals with science, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the currently what we are doing in science. So this is the reason we call it as Vedic Maths, because this question will come to you number of times. Second, now I asked a very general question, how Vedic Maths is different from mathematics. See, Vedic Maths, yes, it makes mathematics simple, easy, and faster. That is one very important thing. So Vedic Maths makes maths simple, easy, and faster. And if we go with one word, it makes our maths magical. That is correct. That is 100% correct. But the question was, how is it different from mathematics? See, there is a very big difference in this. When we talk about mathematics, it is enforcement. Remember this formula, cram this formula, follow this method. That means you are enforcing someone. Whereas when we talk about Vedic mathematics, it is enrichment, enlightenment, because you are giving them the options to think in a different way. So Vedic maths is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. That's the first thing. Journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. But at the same time, secondly, it gives you the feeling of, yes, I can. And when you have this feeling in you, yes, I can do this. can anyone stop you from doing? Just think this way. Same would be the case with the students. So if they just think, yes, we can do, they can really do it. And that reduces your maths anxiety also. But the major difference, major thing, or major feature of Vedic maths is it gives you the way to think in a different way. For example, I said enforcement and enrichment. So what is that? During a course of study, we'll study. For example, we have to find a square also of a number. So we do in a very lengthy way in normal mathematics, but here every number is treated as every digit is treated as a separate identity, and the things become easier. We'll do that. So that was a basic difference. Ki enforcement, you make things do in one way, but Vedic maths, you give the options, and a student can think about it. One thing more is always missing. You just try this at your home or with anyone. You give any student 4 questions on, let's say, one addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What they'll do, they'll take a paper and pen and start writing. They will never think from their brain because they have not been taught like this way. Can those questions not be solved mentally? They could have been, but we never had that habit. So one point is called as visualization. That is what makes Vedic maths different. Visualization, which leads to reasoning and the final logics. VRL. Any person, any student who has these 3 qualities, able to visualize the things, find the reason, and then is able to apply the logic, then there is no matter how successful he can be. It's not only in mathematics, it is a life learning process. So Vedic maths is one that part. Anyhow, we'll go in deep in this. Now, see, I'm trying to make you understand from the angle that when parent comes to you and you have to answer it. But if you have any other questions in your mind, you can ask any time, not an issue. Now, so the first question arises, why Vedic maths? And I've not missed that point. Who is the father of? I think everybody knows. This has been given by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji, who was a Shankaracharya at Jagannath Peeth. Right. So I think everybody knows that. So I have not gone into that details. But yes, the question arises, why Vedic mathematics, or what are the advantages because of which we are going for this subject? Yes, anyone? Why Vedic mathematics? Yes, yes, Ravi, Payal. Why Vedic mathematics? Why should we learn Vedic maths? Why should we do Vedic maths?
For speed,
Okay, that is one thing. What else?
because in most of the competitive exams, it needs speed.
Okay, done. Second. Ravi, I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Speed is first criteria. No doubt on that. But the day you'll start Vedic maths classes, mothers of third class students will come.
Right.
So to them, if you're mentioning only speed, then it does not work.
Correct.
Because you cannot answer them for competitive exams. That is, for them, it is 9 years later.
Correct.
Right. So what else? Yes, speed is one thing. So speed is one thing, but not focusing again and again on competitive. Because what happens, we get trapped in our own thing. Because when
So
you talk about,
can see.
because when we, because when we talk about competition exams, so there is no limit of the syllabus. Got my point? There is no limit of the exam we are going to apply for. So it always need time for that, right? My target is when you start teaching Vedic maths, so it is always for kids, class 3rd, 4th, 5th, and that is the ideal group you should start with it, because that will only give you the confidence, right? Anyhow. So yes, I agree on your point. Speed is the first factor because it enhances speed 10 to 15 times faster. And we all have, or if not, we have observed, we will learn this. Any other point? Yes, Nanika.
Build a
Sorry.
Fun also.
build a self-confidence and to,
Okay.
to remove that fear from their mind that most of the kids think that math is a bit difficult because of
Okay.
this information and they may get wrong at some point. So they are not confident enough to solve such a big question, taking too much
Okay.
time. They are worried about the answers as
Ye-
well. So
See, confidence is correct, but how does confidence develops? What is the reason behind it?
if they know a simple trick and they are confident about getting the correct answer, then
How they are getting the correct answer?
सर जब उनको ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन नहीं करना है तब वो राइट आंसर ला सकते हैं और उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा क्योंकि उनके स्टेप्स कम हो जाएंगे वहां पे
It is correct, but not 100% correct. Second thing, I'll mention over here. See, confidence comes when you know something. Without knowledge, confidence will never come. Let's not. Now, you might be in any field, whatever field you are, when you will talk about that, your body language, your face expression, your words will match. कोई भी फील्ड है आपकी, नहीं फील्ड तो घर की कुकिंग के बारे में when you will talk, you will be more confident. But the time when you are asked about something which you don't know, that will also reflect on your faces. Right. Now, same is with the kids. Why will they be confident? Why they are not being confident in maths? I'll give you in detail reason. Because they don't know whether I am correct or not.
Correct.
Now, right from the class 1 to class 12th or whatever they do in maths, every time they were given a rough sheet. And the teacher said, please check your answers, verify your answers before submitting the paper. But were they ever taught how to check the answers?
Never.
So just think, if we teach the students the same thing, how to check the answers in the first class, that means they will be correct every time. That is the reason. See, when they'll be correct every time, that will give the confidence. Being correct is the success rate, the key to the success. Now, till now, what students do? They ask you, is this an answer? You give them 4 questions, they'll ask you the same thing. Even if they are correct, they'll ask you, Mama, is it correct? Madam, is it correct? Or they compare with the answer key, or they check with the calculators. Everybody is having a calculator right now because they have mobiles. But what happens in the exam? all these four things are missing. Neither man is there, not mama is there, not answer key is there, and neither your calculator is there. So when all these four things are missing, that students loses the confidence or get demotivated. So what if we give them the power to check the answers themselves? But this was missing in maths. Maths does not give you any such solution. But Vedic maths has this solution, which is as simple as ABC. You'll just take 2 seconds to check every answer. And that would be the focus of today's class. So, second, yes, confidence building or confidence generation, you can say, is important point in Vedic maths. And the third, removal of burden. So what is burden of maths? What is the biggest burden of mathematics?
Fear of being incorrect.
No, that is not a burden.
Learning too many formulas and equations, which is hard for them to understand.
Let's come down. The starting stage. You know, every student, when they are in preschool, they always enjoy. But the moment they reach class 1, they start bit stressed. By the end of second year, class 2, mother realizes that the child is not doing good in maths. And that is the reason when we talk about maths tuitions, when we talk about Vedic maths tuitions, then every student, they start with class 3 because there is a problem. That is a difference, that is a change. Right. Now, so the burden is measure of tables. Tables is one factor which every student finds difficult. I just finished with one workshop, 6 to 8, 5 to 7. Same, every student, let it be a 9th class student or a 5th class student. If you ask about tables, they know up till 12. So what is lacking? See, if a class 9 student says, I know tables up till 12, do you expect that he can do multiplications in a good way? That means he is lacking with that basic knowledge till now, that confidence till now. Correct? So this is where problem arises. And apart from this, there are several other advantages. But today, first we'll take one by one. I'll start with the confidence building. And the concept is called as digit sum. Now, by the name,
सॉरी सर, आप क्या साथ साथ में थोड़ा हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करते जाएंगे?
there are South Indians, ma'am. और मेरे इतनी इंग्लिश तो मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
नहीं, वैसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट ठीक है सर, ओके.
बाकी मुझे दशमलव और वो भी नहीं आता.
नहीं, वो वाला हिंदी नहीं, बट ठीक है सर, ओके.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई इतना कोई अभी तक तो कोई इंग्लिश आई नहीं मैम.
हाँ,
चलो, जहां आपको लगे वहां यू आस्क मी देयर. एक्चुअली दिस बैच वाज मेड इन फॉर कोयम्बटूर बुक फेयर, सो वहीं से सारे हैं मैक्सिमम. एनी हाउ, नहीं, आपको जहां डाउट लगे वहां पूछो. कैमरा ऑन रखोगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. कैमरा बंद करते ही रसोई का काम शुरू हो जाएगा, फिर खत्म. ठीक है? सो दैट इज द ओनली की. This is the problem. See, I take classes in the evening only. अभी भी देखो 2 की बंद है. तो जिनका बंद है वो नहीं सीखेंगे. I know.
सही है. Yes, it happens. ऑनलाइन में यही होता है सर.
I don't allow. In my class, I take only 60 teachers, so I don't allow. नहीं करना छोड़ दो. Anyhow, so yes, by the name itself, digit sum. What do you understand?
You have to add all the numbers in whatever number you get.
Add the numbers in all the numbers.
We get a number,
Hmm.
we add all the digits.
Digits, यही तो फर्क आ गया ना.
Correct.
You were saying add all the numbers in the number. So
Yeah.
digit sum means adding the digits of a number. Now, adding the digits of a number makes, is it difficult thing? No. And this is what will help you to find your answers, correct your answers every time. See, whenever parents or whenever you start with the classes, you have to focus on three things. No child is coming to you to learn. First thing, understand this fact. They have been forced, उनको माँ ने जबरदस्ती बिठाया आपके पास. Second, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड क्लास अगर आपकी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होगी तो दे विल रन अवे. So three things you have to focus. First, you have to focus on the confidence building. Second, you have to remove their fear. And fear is, or burden is, tables. This is with everybody. You can check my online, not online, my live, I did a live session of MSc Mathematics, third semester, Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu. And the same MSc Mathematics, that means they have studied math for 5 years. Still, they were not aware about the tables. So that is the problem is maths we keep on cramming. Because every teacher, let it be math, let it be science, social science, any subject teachers, everybody say, understand the concept, learn it and remember. Understand, learn and remember. But when it comes to mathematics, the teacher simply says, because it is either formula or tables, so say, cram it and remember. Now, this is a problem why students don't understand the difference between understanding, learning, and remembering, or cramming and remembering. Initially, they find this easier, ratta marna. And that once they start with this, then they start finding difficulties in maths. So this is the reason why people are suffering with maths. And when I said initially, कि वो enlightenment or enforcement. So this was a reason of enforcement. Ratta मार लो. And then tables never anybody understands. And if tables are weak, you are weak in multiplication, you are weak in addition, you are weak in so many things. And these are the base pillars of mathematics. Anyhow. So digit sum is a concept of Vedic astrology. We also use in our numerology. All those who have got it done for their parents or kids, they know that in numerology we take the date, complete compound date, and we reduce it to the single digit number. That is what we do in digit sum. So this topic was missing in mathematics. Now, I tell you how to go do it. For example, let's say, so digit sum, I said, is the sum of digits of a number. Let's say number is 26. Or let me tell you, 8, yes. So, okay, let's talk about first single digit numbers. Their digit sum, and then 2-digit numbers and their digit sum. So single digit numbers 1, 2, 3 up till 9. So all these numbers, since they have only single digit, so digit sum will also be
same number.
Same.
Same.
Right. Now, when it is two-digit number, let's say it starts from 10. So, digit sum will be 1 plus
1.
0. Because I said adding all the digits of a number. So, 1 plus 0, 1. 23, 2 plus 3, 5.
5.
29, 2 plus 9, 11 means further 2. Correct. See, you have to, 2 plus 9 is 11, but you have to reduce that to single digit number. This is important thing. It's not you have to leave it. So, digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. This is the most important point. Right. Let's take any bigger number now. Let's say 56. So again, 11,
It will be
that
2.
becomes 2. 182. So again, 9
2.
plus, right, 11, again 2. 1, 7, 5, 13. So
4.
4. Is it clear now to everyone? Okay, let's find out some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, what is the digit sum?
1.
2070. Sorry.
9.
9.
Yes, 2070 is 9. Okay. 1,222.
7.
60019.
7.
1.
Yes. Anyone? 7 teachers are there. Govindraj.
6.
Yes. How 6, sir?
9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 6.
10 plus
Sorry.
6, 6.
16, 17, 7, yeah, 7, 17, yes, 7, 7. You're right.
17 कहाँ से आ गया, sir? 10 plus 6 is 16, not
Yeah,
17.
yeah. I told 16, 6 plus 1, 7.
Yes, Gayatri. Are you getting? Okay. 5614.
7.
7.
8954.
8.
212423.
5.
Yes, Ravi, you're not answering now. What happened?
5 I said.
No, आपकी नहीं. Yes, Aruna, how 6? How 6, Aruna? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So it should be 5. Okay. 90341.
8.
8.
Okay. Now, see, what we are talking about, this is for class 1 and 2 or 3.
Yes.
But they will find difficulty here also. You are able to understand because you have done your graduation and all. You are already a teacher. So adding for you is single digit numbers is not a difficult task. But for students, it is. Now, here we'll learn one more important thing about visualization. What is digit sum of 19?
10. 1. 1.
What is digit sum of 29?
2.
What is digit sum of 98?
8.
What is digit sum of 917?
Again 8.
8.
Again 8. Now from here, if you observe, if I remove here 9, answer was in front of me. If I remove here 9, answer was with me. If I remove here 9, answer was with me. If I remove here, answer was with me. So why to add 9 again and again? Please understand. So whenever you have 9 or numbers adding to 9, you can ignore it. See, I'm using a word ignore. I'm not saying delete it, remove it, because suppose I ask you what is digit sum of 99, don't say 0. Ignore 9 is for easy calculation. Ignore 9, so 9 is the answer. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि डिलीट कर दो, रिमूव कर दो. इग्नोर इसलिए किया ताकि छोटा हो जाए. 99999, तो ये 4 9 इग्नोर कर दो तब भी 9 आ गया. नहीं करते हो तो 9 5 45, फिर 9
Again
आ गया.
9.
तो इसलिए 9 कैन बी इग्नोर्ड. नाउ सिंस 9 कैन बी इग्नोर्ड, इस टॉपिक का एक और नाम है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नवाशेष. But what we are learning from here, we are learning to visualize. Whenever students see a number containing 9, yeah, 5 4 6. Now 5 4 is again 9. Ignoring 9 gives you 6 immediately. Otherwise 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15. That is a
Then
lengthy
again.
process. Right. So if they are able to visualize, see, entire Vedic maths is based on visualization. If you are able to visualize, you are able to do addition easily. If you are able to do visualize, you are able to do subtraction easily. If you are able to visualize, you are able to do simultaneous addition and subtraction. Same multiplication, division, scaling, cubing. Everything is based on visualization. That means you can do everything mentally, but only provided you try to start visualizing it. मतलब आप उसको देख के समझना शुरू करो, जो हम मैथ्स में नहीं करते थे. हमें एक आदत थी, we started with paper and pen. Correct. So this concept is also called as navashesh, because 9 is being ignored. ये देखो 3 2 3 3. So I know 3 3 9, 2 is the answer. No need to add. Correct. Also, this concept is called as digital root. And third, it is also called as Bijang. Right. So there are four names for this concept: digit sum, digital root, Bijang, and Navashesh. Any doubt up till here? Yes, any question you have?
No
Yes.
question.
Others?
No, sir.
Sure. Now, you'll be getting the exercise for this. See, homework I'll be giving you. You have to do it and submit in the same group. Now, we have done Bijang, we did understood, but we want to understand how it will be applied. So let's do that. So very first we'll start with addition. We'll talk about all 8 arithmetic operations over here and MCQs. Depending on the students, if a child is of class 3rd, so you just have to teach addition, subtraction, and multiplication. If he's from 9th standard, then all 8 arithmetic operations. Right. So depending, I'll be teaching you all. It all depends whom you have to. Let's say 6, 4, 5, 3, 9, 8. This is a question and we have to add. Yes, what is the answer?
1043.
Now, addition is such a simple thing. But if it was so simple, we all would have got 100% marks in class 1, 2. But we didn't get. Because we all were never sure that whether we are correct or not. That is what we need to teach them. So how to check the answers? Now, when I ask generally teachers how to check the answers, they say, I give them a very simple question. 26 plus 24 is 50. Can you check this answer? Every time I meet any teacher, I just ask this simple question. And they say 50 minus 24. Then the second question arises, what do we teach first? Do we teach subtraction first or addition? Addition. So if a child knows only addition, how can we teach them? How can they subtract? See, you need to understand the hierarchy. First addition, then only subtraction will come. Right? So, what is the digit sum of this? 6, 4, 5. So 6, 4 and 5 is 9. So 6, 3, 8. 11 means 2.
2.
Correct. So what is the, now we are doing addition. So what is 6 plus 2? 8.
8.
So that means the quotient part, this part, the digit sum is 2. Clear? If this is 2, let's check with answer part. 1, 4, 3. This is also
8.
Now, that means if answer part and quotient part are missing, are same, that means we are correct. Right? For example, if somebody might have done this silly mistake, let's say somebody wrote here 3.
So it will become 7.
So it will become 7. You get an alert key. Yes, you have done somewhere a mistake. At least you are able to check this. And for those who know only addition, they are again adding only, but in an easy way. Is it clear now? Yes, is it clear? पायल समझ आया?
yes sir. हाँ हाँ
Okay, तो एक क्वेश्चन और कर लो.
हाँ.
पहले सॉल्व करो and then check with digit sum.
Done sir.
Done?
6 हाँ.
Yeah.
Total
Done.
8.
8621 with a digit sum of 8.
Clear now? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Now, second we'll go for multiplication first. Subtraction I'll go third. Now, let's say one question, 141 into 22. Yes, find out the answer first. And tomorrow you'll be able to do this answer within 3 seconds. Yes, what is the answer?
3102.
3102. Okay, let's check it out. So see, 141, it means 6. Now we have multiplication operation. So into 4, this is 24. 24 again, it is 6. Is it clear up till here? Yes, is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now 3102, it is also 6. See, question part and answer part, it is same. Yes or no? This is how you check your, is it difficult? But see, you all have done graduation till now. Nowhere in maths you have studied this. And just understand, if you teach this in class 1, 2, just for addition only, so will they ever go wrong? My students, see, I teach this in the first class. So they don't ask me, is this an answer? They don't ask me because this is a question mark. Rather, they say, this is an answer. And it is correct. So what does this shows? Here it is question mark. They don't know whether it is correct or not. But this gives the confidence. Yes, I am correct. If you just stand in the front of a mirror and say 10 times, I am correct, 11th time you'll start feeling the same. So same, if they start doing this way, yes, it is correct, they'll get the motivation and they'll never be wrong. Because they'll try to do it positively. Right. One more question. 576 into 121. Yes, what is the answer?
Six nine six nine six.
So tomorrow you'll be able to do this question fast. Okay. Yes, so tell me. Check whether it is correct or not.
Yes, it's correct, sir.
Yes. Is it correct?
Yes, it is correct, sir.
So see, आवाज में अपने आप कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया. So 576, 12 and 6, 18 means 9.
That
अब
is
यहाँ
9.
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे इसके बाद करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. वन बिकॉज 9 you multiply by anything, it will be 9 only. So this is also 18 and 6 3 is 18, so 9. तो 9 ignore कर दो तो 9. From here only it was clear. You don't need to check with this because 9 multiplied by any time will give you. So addition, multiplication done. Okay. Now coming to the third, subtraction. Now here you have to understand two major points. I told you digit sum of a number is always between 1 to 9. But here I'll add second point. In case of calculations, if you get digit sum 0 or negative, I'm saying in case of calculations, if you get digit sum 0 or negative, then add 9 to it. You might be thinking digit sum is adding the digits, so how it can be 0? Or digit sum, how it can be negative? See, first thing I have used the word in calculations. So calculations, it can come. When you study further Vedic maths, there is a number called vinculum number, which has positive and negative digits. So there also it will work. So let me give you one example. I'll take 3 examples. Case 1, 324 minus 226. Yes, what is the answer?
98.
98. And if I check, so 324 means 9. Now, see here it is 9. So don't ignore it. It is 9 only. And here it is 1. So 9 minus 1. Why minus? Because the operation, arithmetic operation is negative. It is 8. And here also it is 8. Clear? Any doubt up till here? Okay. Second. Now see. Now what is the answer?
99.
99. Now, if I check with the digit sum, here the digit sum is 9, here digit sum is 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0. And here it is 9. So answer is wrong. Yes, answer wrong हो गया. Fine. आवाज.
सर जो 0 आया है उसमें फिर 9 प्लस हो जाएगा तो
Correct. That is what I wanted to teach. See, if digit sum comes 0 or negative in a कौन सी लेके जा रहे हो? ठीक है. If digit sum comes 0 or negative, then add 9 to it. Up till here it is clear. Third, see, I have taken the same numbers so that you understand it first. 323 minus 225. Now,
It is 98.
98. And if I check with the digit sum now, it is 8. Here it is 9. So 8 minus 9 is minus 1. And here it is 8. So that means I have to add 9. Clear now? Any doubts? Yes, any doubt?
No.
No.
Okay. Now we are teaching to the younger ones. So very important question comes is MCQs. Multiple choice questions. What are those? Simple questions are there, but students take time. See, I interact with students, so I know their problems better. Now, I was recently, 3 days back only, I was in Coimbatore and talking to so many students, asking this question. See, this is a question, let's say 352 into 867. And 4 options are given. So how to solve it? And 99% students say we will solve in the normal way. Yes, Payal, कैसे solve करोगे?
सर डिजिट सम मेथड से चेक करके.
Yes. Otherwise, see, every student can do this. I have no doubt on this, but they take 3 minutes. And time allocated is always 1 minute. Because these questions come in your NTSC, Olympiads, and other exams. Just think about it. If the examiner wanted to wanted you to find out the answer, why they were giving you 4 options? Filling the blank दे देते फिर तो. Because it is never expected to solve, but it is expected to do in a better way, in a faster way. And that is only possible with Vedic Maths because here you are visualizing. एक जल्दी से visualize किया 3, 4, 5 means we have 1, 8, 6, 7, 13 and 8, 21, 3. So that means my quotient is 3. My digit sum of the quotient part is 3. So 3 किस में आएगा? 5, 4 इग्नोर किया 6. तो ये तो खत्म. फर्स्ट तो आंसर पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सेकंड 8 and 8, 16, 16, 4, 20, 24. Sorry, 22, 4. So cannot be there. 305, yellow 19. Now see, 8 and 4, 12 means 3. And here 8, 1, 5, 4, 5. So this is the answer. See, you understand this key. It is very easy to add. And if you apply Nawashesh along with it, very easy. And 99.9% chances are there will be no error. Means only one answer will be correct. Some
सर मेरा
people.
क्वेश्चन था कि बट इसमें ये भी पॉसिबल है ना कि 2 आंसर्स का सम 3 हो.
मैं भी तो वही बोल रहा था. कभी आप जब पेपर लेते हो बच्चों के, लेट्स से आप अपने बच्चे को देते हो, क्या कभी आप जान के गलत क्वेश्चन करते हो?
नहीं.
एग्जाम कोई भी हो, किसी लेवल का हो, एग्जाम सेटर कभी ऐसा नहीं करेगा कि वो एग्जाम में गलती करे. सी, अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. आई हैव नेवर सीन. मैंने फिर भी कहा 99.99. आई डिडंट से 100. ह्यूमन एरर्स आर ऑलवेज पॉसिबल. तो अगर 2 आ गए तो 2 में से सिलेक्ट कर लेगा बच्चा. फिर देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस दे हैव बीन टॉट. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सिर्फ ये ऑप्शन तो हर एक को पता है, 2 into 7 4 आना चाहिए. फिर तो बट ऐसा आप कल से क्वेश्चंस देखने शुरू कर दो, यू विल नेवर फाइंड इट. इट नेवर हैपेंस. देखिए, जान के कोई भी एग्जामिनर नहीं गलत करेगा, क्योंकि एक एग्जामिनर कभी भी एग्जाम सेट नहीं करता, उसके ऊपर चेकिंग होती है किसी भी लेवल का हो. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओलंपियाड्स, एनटीएससी, तो वहां पे रिगरस ट्रेनिंग्स होती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा कुछ होता है. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. आई हैव नेवर सीन इट. इनफैक्ट ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है, बट नेवर सीन. राइट. ओके. Yes. Anyone has a doubt on this?
No.
So let's come to the fourth arithmetic operation, division. Now, division, we have two kinds. One is based on question and reminder format. There are certain times when we find the answer in question and reminder format. And sometimes it is complete answer. Or you can say final answer. Now, when you talk about question and reminder format, then now only this method is given in class 5th books. Only how to check division. So there it is written dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus reminder. This is only given. But here also they are multiplying with the big number. It's not that they are doing it. I'll give you example. Let's say 923 divided by, let's say, 5. Right. So we get okay. Now in this, quotient is 920, 920, 184,
Remainder 3.
reminder 3. So how they teach us, it is not like 923 is equal to 5 into 184 plus 3. So this is the way to check. Means you will do this calculation, the big calculation. So yes, 184 into 5. This would be 920 plus 3. This is given in maths books. So only division has been given. But again, they have not touched to the topic final answer. How to check that? Second, this is done in a normal way. Think if this number is for this much bigger, quotient will also be so bigger. Again, you have to do the calculations. But in Vedic maths, what we are doing? We are finding digit sum. So it is becoming simpler. Right. Now see, formula is same, dividend. But here our dividend is not 923, only 5. Right. What is divisor? 5. What is quotient? 184 means 4. And 3. So 20 plus 3. 23. What is that? Equal to 5. Got it? So how easy it becomes? Because we are doing with the help of digit sum, not with the actual numbers. So the calculation becomes simpler. Right? Yes, Guna Sekran, any doubt?
सर ये जो एग्जाम में सॉरी जो आंसर में 5 है ना लास्ट में, 23 को प्लस करके, वो वही 5 है जिससे हमने डिवाइड किया है।
वो डिवाइजर ही तो होता है, वही
हाँ,
फॉर्मूला तो ये
digits are
अच्छा,
ये
मतलब डिवाइडर और आंसर सेम होगा तभी हमारा आंसर राइट है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
मुझे थोड़ा सा ठीक से समझ में नहीं।
हम अभी तक क्या कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पार्ट इज इक्वल टू रिमाइंडर पार्ट, करेक्ट,
हाँ
यही
हाँ।
कर रहे हैं ना। बट डिवीजन के केस में द कंसेप्ट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. It is not singly, because here two factors are involved. One,
हाँ
dividend is the total number. So this is your question format. This is the question side. Answer is, यही तो मैंने करके पहले दिया ना, 923 by divide by 5 करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन आ गया 184, रिमाइंडर आ
हाँ
गया 3. तो इसको चेक कैसे करते थे आप, क्वेश्चन
हाँ
को इसी से तो मल्टीप्लाई करते थे ना, 5 into 184,
हाँ 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 हाँ
920 plus 3. हमने क्या किया, इसकी बजाय वी रोट 5, डिजिट सम लिया ना,
ओके, हाँ हाँ हाँ
यहाँ 5 into 4 हो गया प्लस 3, तो दिस
stationary.
इज
बंद कर
23.
हाँ हाँ ओके सर, हाँ
Got it?
हाँ गॉट इट।
Now this was when you are taking the answer and reminder format. What about when it is in in a decimal format? What if it is a final answer? I'll tell you. Now final answer format has again two types. One is terminating answer, and one is recurring. टर्मिनेटर को नॉन रकरिंग भी कह सकते हैं. See, whenever you are dividing by even number, it will always terminate. For example, and with odd, if it is not having a multiple in the numerator, then it will be recurring. I'll give you some examples. First, let's take a case of terminating. Let's say 26 divided by 4. Now 26 divided by 4 means, and I'm taking the answer in question answer format, not, I'm taking in the format of decimals. 6.5. Here it is terminating, means after 5 there is nothing. So this is called as terminating. Right. If you would have done this like this, quotient is equal to 6, remainder is equal to 2, then also you can check. But how to check this way? Again, this and this will be multiplied. So 26 means 8, right? And on this side, 6.5 into 4. So please understand, point will not have any problem. So 65 means you take it 65, you understand 6.5, whatever. So this is 2 into 4, again 8. So decimal will not have any impact. Clear? One more. I'm giving you very simple numbers to understand first. 23 divided by 5. Or let me make it more simple.
4.6.
4.6, chalo. So again, 23, what is digit sum? 5.
5.
What is digit sum of 5 into 4.6? So 5 means 1. Again, same. Now is it clear? So even odd number, if it is 5, we have a terminating answer. But 1.3, 1 by 3,
0.3333.
Now
It's recurring.
so when you don't have the answer complete, how can you think about the digit sum? Got
Yes,
it? Because there
correct.
is no limit to it. If you take 2 digits, then it is 6. If you take 3, it is 9. If you take 4, it is 3. So that's why digit sum does not work on recurring
Recurring
decimal.
answers.
Right? 1 by 7, 0.142875. 142875. So it does not work. On 9.11111 don't work. Right? So this, now any doubt in division? Yes. Yes, Ravi.
No issue, sir.
Govindraj. Nanikat Naveen. See, if you don't ask any questions, there is no use. You won't learn anything. Then why you're wasting your time? Go and sleep. You'll be getting the video. Yes, Aruna? No questions? Kumud. So gay.
No, sir, no. Clear.
Coming to so first 4 arithmetic operations are done and MCQ is done. Up till 6 standard, this works. What if you have bigger 8, 9? So then the topic will come scares. Right. When you talk about scares, so what do you mean by scare? A number multiplied by itself. Right.
Itself.
I'll not discuss here how to find the scares. We have around 13, 14 methods to find scares. And out of that, 10 are mentally possible. You can calculate easily. Okay, let's find first square of a small number 23. Yes, what is square of 23? Let's find out. क्या होगा पायल?
529.
किसी भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं आप.
फाइव टू नाइन.
529. Correct. Now, let's check it out. 529. So how do we check is, again, 2 plus 3, 5 square. So we know 5 square is nothing but 25, and 25 means 7. Here
Yes.
also if you check, it is 7. Here. One more. Square of 105. Okay, 125. Let's make it bigger.
One 5625.
1
15625.
15625. Chalo. So let's check this also. 8 square. 8 square means 64 means 1. And if you see this, so 10 means 1.
Tallied.
Clear? कुछ रह गया? Okay. Now, एक दो छोटे क्वेश्चंस भी ले लेते हैं. यस नहीं निकला पायल?
नहीं सर.
125 स्क्वायर कैसे निकालते हो? वैदिक मैथ्स किया हुआ है आपने कि नहीं?
ये
हाँ.
ट्रिक पता है सर.
कैसे?
सर पाई 12 मल्टीप्लाई 13 और पाई 5 25.
So
Yeah.
12 13 से 156.
हाँ हाँ.
बट यहाँ पे 12 भी नहीं, 5 वाली नहीं लगानी, एक्चुअली यहाँ 25 की लगानी है और इजी हो जाएगा, मेंटली हो जाएगा. सी व्हेन नंबर बिकम्स बिगर, फॉर एग्जांपल, सो यहाँ पे क्या आना था, ये ऐसे होता है 25 मींस 625. अब यहां पर a हो गया 1. इफ a इज 1, देयर आर 4 स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट फाइंड a स्क्वायर. सो a 1 है तो a स्क्वायर भी 1 आ गया. सेकेंड फाइंड a बाय 2. सो 1 का 2 बाय 2 क्या होगा? 0.5.
0.5.
c एड बोथ
1.6.
1.5 और d मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. सो 15,625. सी नंबर जैसे बढ़ता चला जाएगा, यू कैनॉट रिलाई ऑन 5. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी मैं आपको कह देता 625 का बनाए, सो यू कैनॉट मल्टीप्लाई 62 विथ 63. दैट विल टेक टाइम. सो यहां 625 36 प्लस 3 39 390. फिनिश. मैंने बोला ना 14 टेक्निक्स में से 9 टेक्निक्स ऐसे हैं जो आप मेंटली कर सकते हैं. Now, last 999 square. थोड़ा सा फास्ट करते हैं क्योंकि शुड नॉट.
Nine nine eight 001.
Correct. So it is multiplication. Just all those who have done it, they know. Now,
Tallied.
998,001 यहां तो वैसे ही होना था क्योंकि 9 ही आएगा. 9 ही आएगा. ठीक है,
हो गया.
चलो. Now to test square root. So let's take first number 1156. Yes, so what is the answer? निकालें. One 5 6.
It's 34.
34. Yes, everybody got 34.
Yes.
So check. Check. Now how to check? Sorry, I'll tell you, because under root sign you cannot use. So you will not be able to use that. I'll tell you how to do. Now here, see, you said 34, but we cannot check using this sign, this square root. So what we'll do, we'll check with 1156 is equal to 34 square. Correct? Got these things? Now see, this becomes 13 means 4, and 7 square is, yes, 47 square, 49, and that is also 4. Now it's fine. So we cannot check using under root sign, but we can make the other side square and then we can check. Right? Just now we did one question, 15625. Right. So again, we know it is nothing but 125, or 15625 is equal to 125 square. So here,
64.
so
means
64 means 1. And here also, if you check, it is again
It is 1.
12, 18, and 1, 19. So it is 1. Correct. Is it clear now? See, until unless you know how to check your answers, you'll never get confidence. This is the first and the foremost thing. Okay. Second, verify cubes. Now let's say, if you remember 21 cube. Yes, can you find out 21 cube? 21 cube. So it is
9261.
9261. Perfect. I don't know by which method you are doing, but Anupena Sutra trick is better for this. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8, 4. So 9, 2, 6, 1. Finish. Right. Okay. So 9, 2, 6, 1 means 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 27 is 9. And if you see, this is 9.
Yeah.
Done? Okay. Last question. Last, I'm taking cube roots now, so that we can have one more topic today. 506, 53. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Aruna, Kumud. 87 कैसे हो जाएगा कुमुद? 87 into 87 into 87, सोचो क्या आएगा?
It will be 37.
Yes. See, 3 cube 50 जो है वो उससे देखना है. 50 means 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, so 53 से आएगा. और 3 ends हो रहा है तो 37. Finish.
Yes.
So again, 50653 is equal to 37 cube we'll have to do. So यहाँ 1 आ गया. 1 cube means 1. और अगर इस इधर देखें तो again 5, 5, 10 and 9, 19. 19 means 1. This is what is important. Clear? Done? Chalo, last question. On this, not class is not going to be 620, 650, 477. If you have done cube roots of the such big numbers, then you will be able to do. Otherwise, you tell, I'll give you the answer and we'll just check it out.
You tell us the answer, sir.
ये नहीं किया हो आपने?
नहीं सर,
नहीं,
इतना बड़ा
मैं-
नंबर कभी नहीं किया.
6 digit तक आता है.
नहीं. See, remember in cubes, 7 digit तक तो आपका विलोकनम सूत्रा से हो जाएगा. Correct? Problem comes 8, 9, 10. Right? So this is, in this you will have 3 sets. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
3L square का फॉर्मूला लगता है. But इससे भी बड़ा, after 12, not 12, so that is also there. And I have shared in my group. Tomorrow I'll see if I can send. So it is possible. And when we are doing Vedic maths, we should know. Because students का नहीं पता, कभी आपको बोल दिया कि मैडम ये करके दिखाओ, सर ये करके दिखाओ, तो क्या कहोगे? इतना आता नहीं. जहाज मारेंगे, अगले दिन जहाज मार देंगे. See, remember, a teacher can never say no. बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है ये. अगर आपने नो कह दिया तो you're gone. And today the time is very, very rough because they have mobile with them. If you'll say no, then immediately check on ChatGPT, Google. कहेंगे लो, ये लो, हम सिखा देते हैं आपको. Got it? अभी बहुत टफ टाइम है. चलो, 853 is there. चलो, ठीक है. So this you have to be thorough with it. I'll share you the complete notes with this. Because this is the first topic you need to teach. Then only they'll start getting confidence. Another can be taught, that is what we are going to learn now. Because everybody talks about speed. Now you said Vedic maths increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. Correct. Do you know why this speed increases? Yes, Ravi. Why? Why the speed increases?
सूत्रों की वजह से, यूज ऑफ सूत्रा,
सूत्रा को वर्ड को हटा के फॉर्मूला वर्ड कर दो तो क्या गिर जाएगी स्पीड?
नहीं, वही फॉर्मूलेज हैं।
फर्क क्या? वो तो फिर रट रहे हो।
सर स्पीड इसलिए बढ़ जाएगी कि
विजुअलाइजेशन,
जब कंपटीशन एग्जाम है ना, तो उस समय पे हम डायरेक्ट ये डिजिट सम मेथड से भी चेक करके आंसर ला सकते हैं, हमको पूरा वो प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
we don't have, see that what you are telling me, that is agreed, but what is the background why Vedic maths enhances the speed? Visualization is correct. वो तो अभी आपने एक टॉपिक देखा कि this can be done, that is correct, but what is the major reason behind it? See, this line, it enhances speed, it is written all throughout the Google, but what makes the speed increase? What is the background? That also we should be aware of. वो नहीं मालूम, right? And because it's not given anywhere in Google. So very first thing is because of direction. Now what do you mean by direction? See, how do we write on paper? Which direction?
Left to right.
Correct. How do we read the paper?
Left to right.
Perfect. Now you're sitting at your place, just see in front of it. There might be a cupboard, there might be store, there might be something. What do you see first? सबसे पहले क्या दिखता है? Left फिर right.
Left
क्यों?
to right.
क्योंकि हम पढ़ ही वैसे रहे हैं. So when we do everything left to right, reading, writing, seeing, then why do we do maths right to left? Yes, Palerao. Maths.
यही है स्पीड कम होने का कारण।
मैंने आपसे पूछा ये क्यों करते हैं मैथ्स, मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि स्पीड कम होने का। I asked you a reason. You are teaching maths, so I asked you.
We have never thought about it.
This is the problem, no? See, we are following whatever we have been given. We never questioned. And secondly, whenever it comes in the case of education, we never try to think. यही कर लें बहुत है, पास ही तो होना है.
Correct.
Now somebody one day somebody told me, sir, this was what was given to us, or was taught to us. So my question was, do we follow everything we were taught? हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें रोटी चपाती परांठा खिलाना सिखाया, हम क्या खाते हैं? पिज्जा पास्ता. वो कहां से सीख गए हम?
From West.
वेस्ट और साउथ की बात नहीं है. इट्स नॉट टॉपिक ऑफ वेस्ट एंड साउथ. Whatever attracts we do, so why not knowledge? We never try to gain knowledge. That is where we fail. Correct. So in Vedic maths, you'll see you can do with both the directions. Left to right also, right to left also. And which, when you are doing independent of the direction, that enhances your speed. So that is the reason why speed increases. We will see today. We'll do that topic now. Second, now, if something you're doing on your own, if you're not doing it on your own, then is that easy? Or if you're dependent on someone, then it is easy. For example, while maid छुट्टी पे है, so घर का काम जल्दी हो जाएगा या लेट होगा?
जल्दी होगा।
क्यों? फिर मेड रखी क्यों थी हमने? Got my point? नहीं, you are correct. See, because when you are not dependent of anyone, then your work will be faster. Same is with Vedic Maths. You don't need a paper, you don't need a pen. You are independent of paper and pen. You're just using your brain. That is the reason you are faster. So independence एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. Now third point, which we are talking right from the beginning, visualization, reasoning and logics. अभी हमने 9 observe किया and the speed increased. Otherwise what we were doing, 2 plus 9, 8, 11, then 8, then 6. इतना छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल था ये. जब आईएएस का इंटरव्यू होता है तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, कितनी सीढ़ियां चढ़ के आप आए इंटरव्यू रूम में? एंड हम लोग हंसते हैं. वो क्यों पूछा जाता है? जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कीन ऑब्जर्वर यू आर. सेम हियर. See, understand this fact. Observation is a key. अगर चलिए छोड़िए, आप ही का एग्जांपल घर का दे देते हैं. 2 बच्चे आपके लड़ रहे हैं तो क्या करते हो सबसे पहले? You separate them and say, settle down first, calm down. Why? Because you want them to come in the current situation and think. Because जब हम settle हो जाते हैं, शांत हो जाते हैं, then we realize, oh yeah, this was nothing. So that means you are trying to make them visualize the entire thing. So that is visualization, reasoning and logic. Maths में भी वही use करते हैं हम, और we make the calculations easier. But Vedic Maths is not only for maths. It is a life-changing process. आप बार बार examples देखेंगे, जो सूत्रास की हम बात करते हैं, they are taken from our lives. एक सूत्र आता है पूर्ण पूर्ण भ्यम सूत्र from addition. What it is related to? It is related to making comparisons. जो हम अपने बच्चों में कंपैरिजन करते हैं, या we always compare with the higher value. हमारे बच्चे के 90 मार्क्स आए तो then we compare with the 95 one. 95 आए तो 100 के साथ. So we always compare. So that sutra, पूर्ण पूर्ण भ्यम sutra, it is based on our natural ability to compare with the whole. So Vedic Maths is not only maths. If you try to understand this, it is taken from our Vedas, and it is an ocean of knowledge. I can say one word. So VRL, I generally say it is a life-changing process. It is not only mathematics. So when your visualization, your reasoning, your logics are stronger, your speed will automatically increase. So this is the third reason why Vedic Maths increases speed. Fourth, now we have two, left brain and right brain. So kiska, who has left brain active and who has right brain active? Tell me.
The one who writes with the normally writes with the right hand, he has his left brain active, and vice versa.
आपके घर में कोई मदर वगैरह बड़े लोग हैं?
हाँ है.
जब आपके बच्चे लेफ्ट से लिखते हैं तो वो अलाउ कर देते हैं?
मैं खुद लेफ्टी हूँ तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ हुई थी जब मैं छोटा था.
नहीं, अलाउ कर देते थे?
नहीं किया था.
सर
तो
अलाउ
इसका
नहीं करते.
जब अलाउ नहीं करते तो इसका मतलब आपका ब्रेन चेंज हो जाता है.
Not like that, but as
फिर
my
ये
father was.
फिर ये लॉजिक भी तो गलत है, ये तो वही हो गया, बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया तो अब शुक्र ही होगा. See, if you can stop something, then how? See, it all depends on our abilities. Now, people who have the signs of, they question you everything. Why? How? Where? Mostly why. They might be sitting at the last bench, but their always question is why? How?
Right.
They have their logical brains. That means left brain stands for logical. Their logics are stronger. So they are left brain is active. And people who are more towards arts, creativity, music, वो देखा होगा शांत बैठे रहते हैं एक कमरे में. Their right brain is active. It does not depend on the hands, but yes, hand activity. Agar you are lefty, you should try with right also, because you should have both combinations. That is always a better option. And I always say you should practice both. But in Vedic maths, these both brains get active. There are so many concepts. Now also one will do multiplication with 11. You'll observe one brain, because we make both the things, we make two things do together. One is visualization of the number that is coming, another calculation of the next. I said 11 multiplication will do now. You learn something in that also, activation. And very important, when there is a topic called doubling. There, that is a best brain exercise, where you start feeling within 5-10 minutes ki, yes, I am getting faster. I'm getting something, energy is coming. Because the calculations can be done in a single row and very easily. Right? So this left and right brain activation, this is another reason why Vedic maths helps you out. Right? So speed is dependent on these factors. And these are the reasons behind the scene. Though never you'll read this on Google, but actual facts are this. Right? So let's start something. Multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So I hope you understand what is a multiple of 11.
1 to 1.
1 to 1. सीधा ही जंप मार दिया 22, 33. बच्चे 1 to 1 तो बताएंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि टेबल में आएगा ही नहीं.
स्क्वायर्स पसंद है सर.
स्क्वायर्स पसंद है. चलिए बताएंगे किसी दिन आपको, नो मेथड वर्बल. Now, the first question, 11 into 12. Now, generally, how do we do? We multiply 12, 11. So 12, 0, 1, 2, and we make it 132. But this takes time. You're not able to do this mentally, because mentally 2 times multiplication and addition is never possible. And how do we do here? Because 11 is a magical number. We started with 11 because of some reason. I'll tell you later. I'll explain you everything. So here, first digit as it is, second digit as it is, and in between add the two numbers. Finish. आया समझ पायल?
हाँ सर जी.
ये किया हुआ है?
हाँ सर.
चलो फास्ट चल लेंगे, मुझे भी खत्म करना है जल्दी. ओके. Yes, anyone who did not understand? Okay, what is the 23 into 11?
253.
253. What is 44 into 11?
484.
484. Very good. 90 into 11.
990.
990. Correct. Now 36 into 11.
396.
396. 37 into 11. Now here is the trouble. Why we started thinking. Let me tell you. See, here you need to understand one concept that is called as place values. Unit place, tens place, and 100. How many digits come in unit place? Yes, Ravi. Naveen. Yes, Naveen. How many digits come in net? Chalo, net was disconnected. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yes. So how many digits come under unit place?
1.
How many in tens?
Again 1.
How
On
many
every
100?
place. On every
Yeah.
place we get only 1 digit.
Yes, fine.
सॉरी सर वो क्या आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
Place values में
हाँ
how many digits come under unit place? Tens place and 100
हाँ
place.
हाँ 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 हाँ
So हाँ,
100 प्लेस पे 3 डिजिट. हाँ
100 में कितने आएंगे?
3 डिजिट.
और tens में
2
unit में?
1.
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, yes, sir. Same.
Anyone other?
On any place you
The
get only
unit
1
place could
digit.
be 2, sir.
Unit place 2. ये नंबर है 1. अब ये 2 ये यूनिट प्लेस पे ही तो है. 2 डिजिट कैसे हो गए?
No, sir, if it is 10, then we are taking as a carryover, right? So
Then 10 means a 2 digit number, na? No, I'll tell you. Okay. See, this is what is the confusion. We always teach this 1, 2, 3, 4. You tell me one thing. You're sitting on one chair, or in your class you have 40 students. So 40 students needs 40 chairs.
Correct.
That means every student need one chair. Similarly,
Correct.
at every position only 1 digit can come.
Exactly.
Always you have to explain this with the example of student and chair to the kids. They will not understand because they have crammed this 1, 2, 3 and they can never answer. So this is what happens. Now, I have what entire Vedic maths I have done is with the help of this only. So this I have put one line in between so that you balance it every time. And this is called as balancing line. Physically, it is not present. But if you understand this balancing concept, your calculations will be never wrong and entire mathematics. All 8 arithmetic operations, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, cubing, square root, cube root, all can be done with the help of this balancing line. I'll just show you. Now what happened when it was 36 into 11? It was 3, 9,
9,
and 6.
6.
So see, at unit place, single digit. At tens place, single digit. Is 9 double digit? No. 3. So this was correct because this was correct, this was correct, this was. But when it is 37, it becomes 3, 10, 7. Now this is correct. This is also correct, but this is wrong. Can we have 2 digits at tens position?
No.
Yes, Naveen, you were saying
No.
2 digits.
No.
That was the confusion. That is always
I
a
never
confusion
said 2
with every.
digit.
Naveen bola, Ravi, don't take it on you.
Sorry, sir.
No, this is the confusion with everyone. You always think That 1, 2, 3 we have crammed. It is just 1, 0. And what happens to the extra digit? It moves further.
Goes to the
So
next place.
407. And but
That
we
is what
don't
I
have to
exactly.
we don't have to do it with paper and pen. We need to understand this without paper and pen. So see
Balancing.
how whenever this question comes, so understand, answer what I taught you, first digit as it is. Agreed. But the second brain, it thinks, what will I get with this combination? 3 plus 7 will always give you a carryover. So if carryover is coming, make it add 1. What is 3 and 7? 10. 1 already added. So 0 left. 7. One more. 85. So I know carryover will come. So 9, 3, 5. 39. 4, 2, 9. Got it? So this way you can do mentally. Otherwise, you can use paper and pen. But since today, also, just now I had a workshop, you see that video. All the kids, they did it mentally. 28 kids were there and they were doing mentally. Right. Is it clear now, Naveen?
Yes, sir.
So that, see, we have crammed, actually that what was taught to you or to the student, it was meaning that total number of digits become 1, total number of digits become 2, total number of digits become 3. But we ignored that word total and we just started 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. It was lack of understanding, it was just cramming. Correct? Okay. So what is 77 into 11 now?
847.
Yes, Payal. Yes, Naveen.
847.
Got it? 88 into 11.
968.
Okay. 55 into 11.
605.
73 into 11.
803.
803.
59 into 11.
649.
पायल मेंटली करने की कोशिश करो. सी कोशिश तो करनी पड़ेगी. एक बार गलत होगा, 2 बार गलत होगा, 4 बार गलत हो जाएगा, 5वीं बार निकल आएगा. पर अगर पेपर पे लिख के करोगे कभी नहीं आएगा. सी दिस इज ओनली यू हैव टू मोटिवेट किड्स ऑल्सो. अगर एक बार नहीं समझ आता, आंख बंद करो, देखो आपको नंबर दिखेंगे. और देखो वही 2 एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हो आप. पहला नंबर एज इट इज लेना है, बट you are thinking what is coming next, that is coming important. वरना 36 में क्या था? 3, 9, 6. बट 2 चीजें फिर भी हो रही हैं, फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड एडिंग द डिजिट्स. हियर एडिंग द डिजिट्स, एक बार पैटर्न फॉलो कर लिया आपने तो कभी भी गलत नहीं हो गया. राइट? ओके, नाउ let's what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11?
10.
1089.
1089.
1089. So see, 9 becomes 10. 9 plus 9 is 8, left and 9. This way. Got it? Let's go to 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. So again, 1 as it is. 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. 2 plus 3, 5 and 3. 1, 3, 5, 3. Clear? Any doubt? Four, 5, 3. Yes, what is the answer?
4, 9, 8,
9, 8, 3.
Okay, I do 4, 5, 6. Now?
4, 9, नहीं
हो गया गड़बड़,
हाँ
बहुत ज्यादा गड़बड़ हो।
4
4 आएगा ही नहीं। चलो
नहीं
अभी ये
5 आएगा।
let's I'll make it more simple for you first. I know. चलो, now 5 will change. So 6 1
6
9
1 9
9
3
3.
यहां तक हो गया। अब इस नंबर को मैं 5 6 4 कर देता हूं। अब समझो इसे। So 5 will change to 6. यहां 1 आएगा, but 1 also changes because I am getting a more carryover. So 2 0 4. Now did you understand? So this thing you need to understand. Two things you are doing simultaneously. One is you are doing your current job, and what is coming next you are observing. Is it clear? This you have to practice today. I will teach you 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, but we'll discuss on this tomorrow. Why all these things and why we were doing, but you have to practice today. 5 8 6. Six, 4, 4, 6. Understood? If you are not able to do 3 digits, write down 5, 13, 14, 6. So see, 6, 4, 4, 6. Otherwise, mentally, first is these two combination are giving me carryover. So I initially added 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. Sorry, 5 plus 8 is 3. But no, one more carryover is coming. So 4. And then 4, 6. So 2 carryovers were working here. 5, 6, 5, 6. Tell me.
seven two one six
7216.
7216. Now,
6
if you are able to do it mentally, you're going great. If you're not able to do, so try practice 2 digits first, then 3 digits. Right? I'll just directly jump to 5 because I don't want you to waste time, but understand. Now, this is the question. This should be the target. So 1 3 5 7 9 5. This much speed you have to. I have taken very less questions with you, but with the kids, you need to take 100 questions minimum. Right. Let's practice this. 4 digit I have left in between, but you can do what is 999 into 11? Tell me. I'm coming.
0 0.
So is it 109989?
Very good. Okay. 2 5 4 3 2 1 into 11. 5 digits. Five, 4. Yes. 5 4 3 2 1 into 11.
Sir, 597531.
5
597531
597531.
correct. Is it clear? Okay. We'll practice this more. But what did you observe from this? What did you observe? Yes, tell me. Chalo, think and come tomorrow. Rad, I know you don't have a habit of doing. So I'll give you exercises. Do that. Just think, what did we do? What did you observe? Because these questions need to be answered. Say, अगर आप मैथ की तरह वैदिक मैथ पढ़ाओगे तो you will not be able to. Because स्पीड बोलना बहुत वर्ड अच्छा है, स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी, पर अगर हम रटा ही रहे हैं तो स्पीड नहीं बढ़ेगी. You have to, create that awareness, that visualization, that power in them. So you have to talk about all these small things. You have to understand this yourself also. So write down as many as questions you have in your mind. I'm not satisfied with this because you don't ask questions. If you don't ask questions, that means so you need to understand. This topic, why it is taught, there is a reason behind it. One is 11 is, yes, a very magical number, and we need to understand that. But apart from that, we learn so many concepts from this. Let it be brain activation, let it be direction movements, and so many other things. I'll tell you. First, you think, what did you observe from this topic? And then I'll let you know. Right. And tomorrow be on time. See, even 5 minutes, they matter a lot. Tomorrow I'll take up till 10:30. Today I have to go somewhere, otherwise I would have taken. Right. And you two take this, and please, everybody should ask 5 questions at least. So come prepared with that. Right. I'll share you the homework and video very shortly. Right. I'll share it. Sure. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night.
Okay, Ji.